Hello, this is Catherine Blankenship for AEP 800 Integrated Technology. Today, one of my 5 new technologies that I chose to do is Padlet. And Padlet is one that I have not tried, but I have seen and I have used it in professional development and services, but I've never actually done it with my kiddos. I always kept thinking that Padlet was something, for older kids, middle school, high school, where I teach elementary school. But I was playing with it today, and I found that it was super duper easy, and I kind of just played with it a little bit. At first I had a really hard time because I was unsure what this Padlet was about, what it wanted me to do. But after a while I got the hang of it. So as you can see, I posted a few things about myself. The fact that I live and work in Garden City. I love to read. I am a teacher. Some hobbies of mine: drinking tea, crocheting, and cross-stitching. Of course, I'm from Kansas. And so basically how I did this was I just went to this little red button right here. Actually, you can do it either way. You can double click on the screen or you can go to the little red button. But then you can either upload whatever you want, attach a link, take a picture. I just went on Google. You can either do images, GIFs, YouTube, Spotify, or the web. I mostly just stuck with images and GIFs. As you can see, this is everything that I looked for. So, things that I am interested in: movies, watching movies, tea, crochet, cross-stitch. I found all on here. So basically, if I were to look for another cross-stitch, I just type it in, click images. This one's super cute. I like bees also. There we go. And then there it is. It's like a little poster. It's like a little interactive poster. So it's not just pictures, it's not just words. It can be little images that move. It can be videos. It can be songs. It can be anything. Like I said, I see this more towards the middle school, high school. I mean, I would like to get my 4th graders working on it, but at the same time, I'm unsure how to integrate it in the classroom. I think it would be fun for math if I were to post different equations for a math review and then project it up on the screen, and then I click on one and they work it out. And then we can move on and go to the next one. I think that would be really cool. So maybe not a kids do it on their own kind of thing, but if I make one and then broadcast it onto the smartboard, they can see it as well. I really like Padlet. I thought it was a lot easier than originally what I thought. I thought I'm never going to use Padlet because it looks so hard, but it was actually pretty cool. All right, thank you very much. Bye.